Very nice day for the election. What we're looking at is mostly cloudy skies to begin with, but you'll see some breaks in those clouds as the day progresses, and we'll end up with temperatures above average again. So, a mostly dry day. There's the tiniest chance at a sprinkle, but most areas should be dry, so no issues for your election day on Tuesday. Right now, it is very nice across most of central Ohio. The temperature is degrees, so even warmer than it was this weekend. We are way above average today. We're going to stay above average for at least the majority of the week. There's a cold front sitting out in this direction. It's going to get in here tomorrow morning, and that's why there's that chance at a passing sprinkle or shower during the day tomorrow. But tonight, things look pretty good for us. We'll stay partly to mostly cloudy by the overnight hours. We've seen some clouds roll in the last few hours. 68 degrees at John Glenn Columbus International Airport with a breeze out of the south at 10 miles per hour. That's enough to still pick away at some of those leaves that are still on the trees. They're coming down out there. Your Bassett Services Heating and Cooling current conditions in Marysville at 65. Same thing for Bucyrus and Mount Gilead. Coshocton at 62. New Lex and McConnellsville at 67. Waverly still reporting 70 right now. So for the evening, the chance at a sprinkle is pretty low. Not impossible, but it's going to be through the overnight hours. And that front gets in here early Tuesday morning. Because of that front, there is that chance for a passing sprinkle. Most areas are dry. We'll stay in the 60s, mid-60s at that for most of the evening. The combination of cloud blanket and that nice warm breeze out of the south and southwest helping to keep us very mild tonight. We'll aim for 57 for the overnight low and staying windy through the night tonight. Here's your day on Tuesday. We start with mostly cloudy skies. By 8 in the morning, that front is mostly past us, but you see how that cooler air starts to try to get in here. That breeze out of the north and northwest with us for most of the day. Not as strong as what we've had today, but still relatively pleasant. For the daytime tomorrow, when you're headed out the door to work and school, temperatures will be in the 50s. We start cloudy, but we'll see a little bit of sunshine later in the day, and a high near 66 in the afternoon. If you're lucky, you might even pick up a bonus degree or two. Starting out there in the 50s, warming up into the 60s during the afternoon, and the farther we get into the day, the more sunshine you're likely to see. The temperatures are going to stay pretty mild for the next several days, staying in the 60s through Thursday. But then as we get into the weekend, some cooler air begins to move in. And we're closer to normal at that point. Normal is 56. So we're 10 degrees above that for tomorrow. Mostly dry for your election day. Chance of some rain on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And then we are dry again for your Veterans Day weekend.